Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Supreme Court. And matters arising.
And Supreme Court, dear, you see, Nanayo.
Ango Yebi.
On say after 2013 Supreme Court, in Yama be PPU. Until after that, no, 2016, and the then Attorney General and a friend of Brew Attorney General.
Marita Propon.
Okay. Then Attorney General. A bomb modern my yamra. A restricting Yama Bebre. To the extent of my timelines could cross within 42 days, no. Say there are some court I will say to me ADV. Over 2013, there are some court between Nana Danko Akufo-Addo and the
Jake Obechebilamte Baumia and then EC
and EC
join EC
and John Mama. Later, crown answer never shot dinner as a crown, and this is also as a party, no, and so by joining. It is a John Mama lawyer, Casa, we are. Now, this is lawyer, so have a Casa. Now, this is lawyer, Casa against MPP lawyer Bakope. Oh, the general. In the Yashanas are not just say, I'm sure you are careful. But do baby crown parties best and 9 between our court to say, you know, I and we not say no money lawyers. Now we can. Inti Mrane ye no, say presidential candidate be the EC court say election on Tiasia. Party na ni nipa winia ya de no court no. Oni hu kwan so say ono so be ba join we no suit na and I rate na ya issue against that party no. Enunti no ama niama asesa kakra. Enunti no answer na Supreme Court for ebe share omodwuma die na se no. On Thursday 21st of January no, omo the ground rules ato ho. So ground rules no anything. Omo say court ya be determine whether or not petition na omode abano a reasonable course of action. Say nyansa woman as nyansa nim. Sa no pa the first one no. 2 no almost say whether or not say petition na ode abano. Declaration na first respondent a second respondent winning as president elect no. Say onya 50% plus 1 valid voter na ebion or say whether or not second respondent no meet article 63(3) of the constitution no say the Techima South resource no ka ho ana say yi Techima South resource the fima onya 50% plus 1 na the account beyond the 4th one no whether or not first respondent no 9th December results na or announce violate article 63(3) of the 1992 constitution and the last one whether or not NDC for say almost pardon votes be and errors be kakra ebaemu. Now whether or not sa errors na buy no e bet to me any material effect on resource Nana Danko enya I no be man no into me nya 50% plus 1 na inti court na ye hwe na ye kɔ no oh the ye hwe na say NDC for bet to me the evidence via bar ebe masa nyema enum ya court na nkasa set out to say eno na omo hwe no o betumi di aba na eno ho asam ne ye court wo ho. As we speak now, presidential election here December 7th no each and every constituency collation center collate polling station results ni nyina or polling station am 100 polling stations ye ni nyina and na ukọ constituency collation what they call a summary sheet of the results so na me no each constituency 275 ni nyina aye ni nyina ewo political parties ni nyina aye serious ni nyina ewo copies of these 275 summary sheets at the constituency level. I fear election yet another layer of check I say. Instead say constituency summary sheets you didn't have headquarters at the regional level so some constituencies say what region in so into your original summary sheets and so the regional summary each and every region the results in here. Get the way da. You can pink sheet in a summary sheet, original, need duplicating get in now. We by 10 December the way. Because you're training on call for some when you say so it here and say electoral commission. And I see I no biscuit income. They hear and say, as we speak now, witnesses me no as a miensa NDC for I didn't buy no. Crash summary sheet duplicator. Yadema ne constituency coordinators are on constituencies ni na 270 and also 275 there. Because yeah, point this polling stations in pink sheets in beba. Get the best filing in paper. In the end, at the polling station, your friends have filed me, But I call the presidential bishop, but I call the parliamentary, and they are one of paper. It is the young expecting to say, electoral commission, summary sheets, do. What's it 55,000? Me duplicate I me cray and you 55,000 54,000. Ablekuma not what's it 48,000 me dia me cray 25,000. Na ke akika ni nyina bom na akire se na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo we nya 50% plus 1. Dia ya me sire kra wa assembly nyina mu a na me ka so mo ja kan o sa mo da so kan. On the 9th of December, Jimensa Elbobo results. Or say, so far 274 results na Mable Boy. Now 274 no, okay, Kamboma, Nanado, Danko Akufo-Addo, enya 51.7 bibisa. Aka Techiman dear. Techiman South dear no. Sir, yeah, the number what register ni so nyina Ediba NDC candidate ne kra Nanado still across 50 plus 1.
NDC for no oboa no.
Try. Yeah, be straight grand say. You see the number what register unsu nim say. Number what register nyom nyina na to aba. In the first of all no, some number what register nyina emfa ma. What did they make an say? A valid votes. Any of them it would so funny say, yeah, the number never registered in your mammy. When I design a man about 9 December, and a date, and a 15 February. Your name out of the number never registered, no valid votes are. If it's a number na or register no. Yenim the NDC for nya yenim the MPP for anameba. It would that so can say see ye didn't nyina ma me why na didn't nyina be ma. Abra obubo no na de obenya e wo total vote no enye total valid no na enye ready. And so say ye kan nyina obom near the mouth cry na worry. Now as we speak now this is for Kasa. I'm Kasa to set the Chiman South, yam declare elections, Now the way could you quarter? Okay, be yama. Ufa and on witnesses nearby, no. Who's my I said you get your friend is saying calculator. Say I bought results now. Jimensa boy on the 9th now. Near the total valid votes in Kaho, Emma, your friend is saying, NDC. Now do nya over 51%. NDC consistently nya 47%. Say some few constituencies are almost correct on the 10th now. Near the results, Techima South in which farm but they always want us to live in the past. Yet they need now NDC Krana. Now do still only 51%. NDC will for over 47%. Say you decide say valid votes now you cast you know. Yet the NDC nyai emano. Near the MPP dear nyai emana. Still no. New Patriotic Party presidential candidate, over 51%. NDC candidate, 47%. Now, the last way, on the election irregularities, no, you will be affected elections, no, results, no. You will be irregularity, no, but affected results, no. For instance, say, virtual banner say, Electoral Commission. Voting time from 7 a.m. up to 5 p.m. So Electoral Commission will start about around 9 a.m. Election irregularity. But the answer number 5. Na obi anywhere ya mananto aba because Electoral Commission for mantema. Although say irregularity no and affect abana yeto here no. What did the American say? Yeah, Ebiobi Ebeto proxy. Or say or they form Biba one famba. You check here, I was saying presiding officer and sign BB one sign. But if I crony a valid voter there or to a banner, all those say irregularity no and affect results no. So and you know any irregularity be have effect on the election. It's court and say. So irregularities be by, and now error be by. Error no is it so material said that it will affect any of the candidates, any of the candidates, any 50% plus one nah. Usha vote party of the anything I said don't get it. And say your friend is saying
calculation.
And then the calculation. Say omo edit vote party a buy no. Na almost software you vote party the people sana party vote party no e be in favor of NDC no be call against NDC print it out no yi there eye favor ni nyina film and na print it there e ko against no pay Nyankopa ompe bone. Omode evidence na eba no. Na omode omo software ne ka ho. Di omo ye bi. E ko hwe mu because so sure John Mama vote pardon constituencies no ka no. E be say 36. I say do get ya dey so ka no be say 25. You check here say na about 9 of them no vote here dey am NDC for.
But is that not a justification that indeed a name koso about to rumanya papa?
No clear. Election be no error sembem. But is it material enough? But at the end of the day, vote party can have 5,000.
6,000.
6,000. Obi B2 for 585,000. Now we got 5,000 if you my cocaine. But be truthful, be candid. We are who's the vote party, a be your advantage, you know. Now the Abba, the annual advantage, not the Abba. After besides, you get as and then I say, no, there, one show. Oh, no, I have between into no software, then, my dear, or no, and fun, we are in a hard copy, no. Clearly, these are people that are on candid, on your honest, on your
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.